There's a woman sitting in the vet's waiting room with her little dog. A young girl walks in with a massive Great Dane. She sits right next to the woman, and they start chatting. The young girl points to the little dog and asks, "So, what's he in for?" The woman glances around, making sure no one else is listening, and whispers, "Well, it's a bit embarrassing. Every time I bend down, he tries to mount me. So, we're here to have him neutered." Then she smiles and asks, "So, what's yours in for?" The young girl says, "Actually, he's got the same problem as yours." The woman blinks in surprise. "Oh, so you've brought him in to be neutered too?" The girl's eyes widen. "Good God, no! I just want his toenails clipped." And at that moment, the waiting room goes silent, except for the sound of dogs breathing and people trying not to laugh.